Ito ang lang exercises na pwede nyo gawin para sa ating glutes, para sa ating lifted and rounder glutes. Gagamit tayo ng hip band. I'm using a medium one. Kung wala kang hip band, pwede itong gawin ng body weight lang. Pero mas maganda kung meron kang hip band for more tension at para mas ma-engage natin ang ating glute muscles. So for our first exercise, kick back. So step back. And then slightly bend ang standing leg. And lift your leg up. Slightly turn out your foot or ang inyong paa. And kick back. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions ng 3 beses bawat leg. Next natin, hawak tayo. And then, slightly bend forward. And then, again, kick back. Hold for 2 seconds. Do this for 15 repetitions ng 3 beses. And last exercise natin, ang ating side leg lift. Ang standing leg, slightly bend ang knee. And then, stretch out ang hip band. Gawin nyo rin to ng 15 repetitions bawat leg ng 3 beses. Do this 3 times a week. Forget to eat your protein. I'm Coach LV. I'll see you in my next one.